How to configure AI Heatmap for wireless bridges on Ruijie Cloud. Ruijie Cloud provides the AI Heatmap feature, which supports marking the installation location of wireless bridges on Google Maps for BOM generation. You can also export the site survey report with just one click. Visit the official website of Ruijie Cloud. On the displayed web page, enter your username and password, and click Login. On the home page, click AI Heatmap. You can select an existing BOM, and click the map icon to open it. Or, you can create a new BOM by clicking Create BOM. On the page that is displayed, enter the BOM name, select the scenario, enter the BOM description, and click OK. Next, select Wireless Bridge from the drop-down list on the top left of the page that is displayed. First, click the Add Bridge icon. Then, click on the map to mark the installation location for the wireless bridge. The first point marked on the map is the installation location of the base station by default, and other points will be marked with numbers as the installation location of CPEs. After marking the installation locations, right-click, press ESC, or click the Add Bridge icon at the top of the page to exit. You can also click the map icon at the top of the page to mark installation locations on the map, and then right-click, press ESC, or click the map icon to exit. Select a point on the map as the installation location of the base station. Hover the mouse over it, and click Change to Base Station. Subsequent clicks will be marked with numbers, indicating the installation locations of CPEs. Next, right-click, press ESC, or click the Add Bridge icon at the top of the page to exit. A blue line indicates a good bridging connection, while a red line indicates a poor bridging connection. Double-click the endpoint of a red line to view the bridging details. The pane on the right displays the installation locations of the bridges, signal strength, transmission rate, and other related information. The vertical axis of the blue chart represents the altitude, showing a clear view of the terrain along the bridging distance. This helps determine if there are any mountains or obstacles causing poor bridging connection. The sector of the bridge group represents the signal coverage area, with the green area having the strongest signal, and gradually weakening towards the edges. You can improve the bridging connection by changing the pole height or the installation location of the wireless bridge. You can click Manual to manually modify relevant parameters, or adjust the sector angle, as well as the antenna's horizontal and tilt angles. By clicking the left arrow, you can view the recommended device models. To export the site survey report, simply click Export. Select the desired download format under Export Format, and click Save Locally to download the site survey report to your local device. You can open the site survey report to view details. To follow this issue, comment on our video or send an email to us. See you in the next video.